I'm trying to get my lion to hold my camera, maybe my monkey. Starting out my wolf. Anyway, it's about 11 o'clock. I got 15 more minutes exercise. What I want to talk about. Losing weight, staying slim. Losing weight, staying slim. My weight's the same as it was when I was 18 years old. Same waist, same strength, same strength. What is my secret? Number one, you heard it a million times, fruit. The second most important ingredient is sleep. You have to go to bed no later than 11. I'm saying 11:15, but generally I'm in bed by 11. Number three, intermittent fasting, which means generally I stop eating at 5:36. I don't eat again until 10 o'clock the next day. That's anywhere 14, 16 hours of intermittent fasting. No food, no water. The reason why most people gain weight is they eat at night. The reason why they eat at night because they did not eat enough nutrients. Which means if you're eating a cooked food, there's almost there's nutrients, but it doesn't make you full. It doesn't make you satisfied because it's nutrient poor. What am I saying? To lose weight, number one, stop eating at 8 o'clock. Stop eating around 8 o'clock. 12 hours, no food, no water, or just water. Number three, the last meal of the day has to be around between 6 and 8, and not be a light meal. Your heavy meal is your lunchtime. Anyway, I like this. Look at all my fig trees, got a lot of plants here. And they're all doing, some are good, some are I'm struggling with. My goal is to have an indoor garden. We just planted 200 plants. I think I did a video before that. We didn't plant, but we have 200 plants in a 3-foot square area. I got a new housemate, and we're gonna be planting trees in our bedroom. How exciting is that? We're getting the lighting, and we're getting the stands, we're getting the plants, boom, boom, boom. And then we work inside, then we work outside. Starting, I would say another maybe 2-3 weeks. Anyway, bye for now. I'll see you.